Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Antenna Dilemma. Let's start. One hour to go till my favorite show comes on. Man, I love that show. But there is nothing else on right now. What's all this rubbish? Unboxing stuff, the think outside the box, commercials. Seriously, who's still watching Keeping Up with the Square? I have 200 TV channels on this thing and still there's nothing on. Come on, there must be something. Whoa, what the hell was that? Oh no no no! Oh, the TV's gone wrong. I can't miss my favorite show. I never miss a single episode. This is a disaster. Ah! Wait, don't panic. What's the procedure again? Procedure blah blah blah, blah and I take care of it myself. Or procedure blah 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 and I take care of the emergencies. I don't remember. Maybe there's a clue hidden somewhere around the TV. Yeah, let's go. TV. Nothing but static. I bet the antenna's been damaged. I need to go get it fixed. Yeah. Right. All my old videotapes are in here. Oh, some cash stuck between the raiders of the lost box and this Squareminator. I might need some money to get my TV repaired. And I don't need to fix it. Black box. This is a black box gives everyone so many channels to watch on TV. It's totally free. The dice gives them away to everyone. Man, our leader is such a wonderful person. On the front side of the box, there is a small label. In the event of an emergency, call 2102. Okay. 2102. Hello, you have reached the television emergency support service. How can I help you? Hello, this is blah blah blah. Listen, you need to help me quick. It's an emergency. My television's not working, and there is an hour until my favorite show starts. Oh dear, that sounds like a damaged antenna. This is a real emergency. We'll get you back. Will you be able to get your local TV retail store back in time? Yes, it's just down the street. Just head down there and ask them to perform an F423. They'll know what to do. If no one is there, you can borrow an antenna without leaving. An excuse not, according to the government order for Y2.9. Thanks for your help, stupid. Idiots call that a help. Yeah, let's go. I can't go out without my sticky notes. Who knows what dangerous things I'll meet out there. Sticky notes, sticky notes, sticky notes. Yeah. Brand new pack of sticky notes. These will come in handy if I need to write down something later. Hey, these advertisements. Antenna. Mm-hmm. Systems. Hey, what are you doing here? You should be at home watching TV. My antenna is broken and something fell on my house. Call the emergency hotline. There's no excuse to be wandering around the neighborhood in the middle of the day. Okay, sorry to disturb you. Just get going. I don't wanna miss my show. Well, I guess I'll go back then. Neighborhood. House, please advertisement. Oops. Grocery store, vending machine, dustbin, TV store. This is the place. Let's hope something inside can help me. TV store. Hello, anybody around who can help me? Anyone? This place is deserted. Well, aside from this box turtle, I guess he's guarding the shop. Well, I'm on my own. I need to find a way to watch TV anyway. Can't reach it. The box of turtle is in the way. Can I buy a TV? Wow, that's a pretty good discount. I should get one just as soon as I've saved up some money. And got the antenna fixed, of course. Then can I pay the money? According to the cube law 4 5 blah, 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 you can swap two things whenever you need to, provided they have the same interest intrinsic value. God knows what the hell does that mean. Wow, I can't believe I still remember all the laws I learned in elementary school. Okay, I'm doing the exchange. I should probably explain everything to the owner on an excuse note. No. What excuse note do I put now? Sorry for the inconvenience, but I'm within my rights. Kind regards. I can't reach it. The box of turtle is in the way. Box of turtle die. Oh, he sounds angry. He hasn't been fed yet today, maybe. Maybe if I get some food, he'll let me pass. Food. Oh, grocery store. I come here to get my shopping done. It's closed at the moment. I'm on my TV break right now. Come back in 1 hour. I can't blame the guy. That's a good excuse. A vending machine. The vending machine is totally tapped out. All the chips, soda, and candy have already been taken. All that's left is one measly salad. Okay, salad is good for dog. Go buy salad from a vending machine anyway. Nobody cares. I need the salad for the dog. Kidding. I have just enough money to get the salad. 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, 4 coin. One salad, please. Hey, that machine ate my money. Well, the machine stole from me. I guess it's only fair to steal it back. And what do I do now? How do I steal it back? Except for a candy wrapper, cram box, and it has a joke written on it. What does a healthy cube have for dinner? A square meal. Yeah. Well, let's put this wrapper where it belongs, back in the bin. Yes, I'll go back. Oh, how the hell do I get that? Good. Yes, I'll go back here. I guess I'll go back there. TV ad, antenna, chipset, set, broken panel. This billboard has fallen over. According to the law, blah, 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 you can take anything lying on the ground provided no one else is interested in taking it. How do I make sure no one else is interested? Hello, does anyone want this metal bar? No one. Okay, this metal bar is mine now. TV ad, antennas, chipset. Stupid. Store. Grocery store. Now what do I do? The machine ate all my money. Wait, can I break the machine? The vending machine stole my money. According to the lab, blah, 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 if someone steals something from you, you can steal it back no matter what. Well, looks like it's gonna cost this machine a window. Wow, that was kind of bad. A bad thing to have done, destroying a vending machine just to get a piece of salad. I should leave an excuse note. I'm sorry for breaking the vending machine window, but it stole money from me, according to the cube. Blah, 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 blah. I can do anything with my power to steal it back. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but I'm within my rights. Kind regards. Blah, blah, blah. I guess now I go back there. I give salad to doggy. Eat the goddamn salad. Take the salad. Come on, turtle, like salad. Yes, he's eating it. Goodbye, we are friends now, right? And now I guess I can take the antenna. Replacement antenna for use in case of emergency only. Well, they told me to get what I needed from here, and I need this. So, once it's been installed upon the roof, all my problems will be over. According to the emergency service, I can borrow an antenna without leaving an excuse note. Government order blah blah blah. Oh, I'm a real bad guy. I'm a rebel without cause. Well, I guess that's it for today. We'll fix the antenna tomorrow, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.